Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying device details and charging the battery to at least 50%. Once done, try the basic unlock. Enter any known Apple ID or Google account credentials. Make sure you type passwords carefully. If that fails, you will prepare for an account recovery or a factory reset. You should back up data now if you can, because the reset may erase everything. This step reduces surprises and gives you options. Account recovery first. Reset only if recovery is unavailable. You next attempt official account recovery. Follow Apple ID recovery or Google account recovery prompts. These use email, phone, or security questions. If those routes fail, move to a factory reset. For iOS, use recovery mode with a computer and iTunes or Finder. For Android, use recovery mode key combo and wipe data/factory reset. Once you start the reset, make sure the device remains connected and powered. This is the core execution. Verification can take time, so be patient and follow on-screen prompts. You finish by reinstalling the OS or restoring a backup, then reconfigure screen time or digital well-being with a new passcode you control. Once restored, test limits and passcode to confirm success. If the device remains activation locked, you must provide proof of purchase to Apple or Google or contact the original owner to remove the lock. This is why recording serial numbers earlier matters. Troubleshooting tip: if support stalls, escalate with documented purchase proof. Support teams take ownership evidence seriously, and it's
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.